How to stream on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and log into your account. After that, at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find User Settings. Click on User Settings. Then, on the left side, scroll down and click on Voice and Video. And make sure your input device and output device is chosen. After you've done that, go back and click on the server you want to stream. Then join the voice channel. After you've joined the voice channel, at the bottom left, you will find option, which is share your screen. Click on it. Then you can select which tab you want to stream or which window or your entire screen and press on share. After you've done that, it will start streaming. You'll find a pop-up. Below your pop-up, you'll find gear icon. If you click on it, you'll find different stream settings. You can stop streaming, change stream, or also more options, which is report. And this is how to stream on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.